halten, aushalten, aufhalten, durchhalten, behalten, enthalten, mithalten, unterhalten. Very exciting verbs ending with halten or having different prefixes. Hearty welcome to the German language program by D Sales Academy. In this video, we would be discussing about some of the prefixes of the verb halten and their meanings and usages in sentences. Aushalten means to endure or to tolerate. Aushalten, Präteritum is hielt aus, Partizip 2 form is ausgehalten. It's a temporary verb. Ich halte diese Kopfschmerzen nicht aus. I cannot tolerate this headache. Ist unruhig. Ich hielt sein Benehmen nicht aus. He is very disturbed and I cannot tolerate his behavior. Der Hund hat die ganze Nacht gebellt und mich gestört. Trotzdem habe ich ausgehalten. The whole night the dog did bark and it disturbed me. In spite of that, I have tolerated. Very exciting verb with halten, aushalten, which means to endure or to tolerate. The second verb is aufhalten. Aufhalten means to block, to stop or to hinder. Aufhalten is present form. Präteritum is hielt auf. Partizip 2 form is aufgehalten. Hält sich im Dorf auf. He lives or he stays in the village. Der Regen hielt meine Arbeit auf. The rain stops my work. Nix konnte sie aufhalten, ihr Ziel zu erreichen. Nothing could stop her from she achieving her goal or dream. Seine Mutter hat ihn aufgehalten zu rauchen. His mother has stopped him from smoking. So, another interesting verb, halten, having the prefix auf. Aufhalten means to block or to stop. Next verb, durchhalten means to persevere or to keep up. Durchhalten, Präteritum, hielt durch, Partizip 2 form, durchgehalten. Niemand weiß, wie lange der Mann durchhalten kann. Nobody knows how long the person can persevere or the man can persevere. Hielt das Studium durch. Deshalb hat eine Prüfung erfolgreich abgeschlossen. He has persevered through his studies. Therefore, he has completed his studies successfully or his examination successfully. Während des Spieles hat durchgehalten. Deshalb haben wir das Spiel gewonnen. During the game, he has persevered so well. Therefore, we have won the match. The third verb with halten or having a different prefix, that is durchhalten, which means to persevere or to keep up. Next verb with halten is behalten. Behalten means to retain or to maintain something. Behalten presents. Präteritum is behielt. Partizip 2 form is auch behalten. Ich behalte alles, was ihr mir sagt. I keep in mind, I remember everything that you have told me. Behalte mich in Erinnerung. Please keep me in remembrance. Sie behielt das Geburtsdatum von ihrem Vater. She remembers the birthday of her father. Ich habe seine Handynummer behalten. I have remembered his telephone number or mobile number. Next exciting verb with halten having a different prefix is enthalten. Enthalten means to contain something, to include something. Presence enthalten, Präteritum enthielt and partizip 2 form is enthalten. Same. Das Wörterbuch enthält ungefähr 1 Million Wörter. The dictionary contains almost 10 lakhs words. Die Schale hat verschiedene Sorten von Süßigkeiten enthalten. The jar contains different varieties of chocolates. Diese Schokolade enthielt 80% Kakao. This chocolate contains almost 80% cocoa. And next verb with halten is mithalten. Prefix is mit. Mithalten means to keep up something, to cope with something. Mithalten hielt mit gehalten. Konnte mit der deutschen Sprache nicht mithalten. He could not cope with the German language. Hielt gut in seiner neuen Wohnung mit. He keeps up with or he copes with his new house very well. Hat mit seiner neuen Freundin mitgehalten. He did cope with his new girlfriend. Now we have the last interesting verb with halten, that is unterhalten. Unterhalten means to entertain or to talk. Unterhalten present form, Präteritum is unterhielt and participle side form is auch unterhalten. Unterhält den ganzen Tag mit seinem neuen Freund. He communicates or he speaks with his new friend the whole day. Wir unterhalten uns im Büro. We speak with each other in the office. Während des Konzerts hat lange unterhalten. During the concert, he has spoken, he has entertained himself very well. So my dear friends, these are some of the exciting verbs with halten, very especially having different prefixes. They are aushalten, which means to tolerate, to endure something, aufhalten, which means to stop, durchhalten, which means to persevere, behalten means to retain, enthalten means to contain, mithalten means to cope with, unterhalten means to talk. Hope this video from DCLS Academy you have enjoyed a lot and it was very helpful for you to improve your German language. Wish you all the best and thank you.